Look, I just wanted to introduce you to my other cat. Most people know Marty, but Harriet rarely makes an appearance, but she thought she would show face today. Harriet's 14. She's so fluffy and very sassy, right? She's sassy. Hey guys, I'm Alexandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be showing you my favorite Ikea products that are all under $25. This video is not sponsored, but Ikea kindly sent all of the items for today's video, which I am very thankful for. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. So the first item are these beautiful seagrass baskets. These are one of my most favorite Ikea products because they are so versatile. Baskets are awesome for storage, and I love these because they look pretty on display. So you can put everything from your toilet paper in your bathroom to your throw blankets and your books, like literally anything. Shove it all in here and they look really, really great. It doesn't have to be organized inside because everything's contained. And another thing I love about these baskets is that you can totally customize them. I love putting pom-poms on the front or painting the bottom, and you can put plants in here and they just look so pretty on display. So this is a wood bracket. It's $3. Might seem like kind of a funny thing to love at Ikea, but these are amazing for a very simple wall sconce DIY. You add a bit of stain, you get a really pretty wraparound wall sconce, and it's like an instant light fixture for $3. It's amazing. I don't think that a lot of people realize that Ikea has amazing light bulbs. These beautiful vintage bulbs, this one was $12, which is a steal. If you go to any kind of boutique stores, even hardware stores, they are not this cheap. And I love these for pendant lights or wall sconces where the bulb is showing. These are just beautiful to have on display, and it adds something extra to your light. And they're only $12. That's amazing. So the next item is from Ikea's new catalog. It's this really cute watering can. It's $15. And what I love about this one is that it's mini sized and it's super decorative. So you have the gold handle and the white body of it. And I love this because you can keep it on display. It's a decorative piece, but it's also functional because it waters your plants. So I like to keep mine on my mantle by my little succulent, and you could keep it near your plant bench or your potting area. No, not your potting area. If you have a plant area in your home, it's just such a beautiful decorative piece that you can also use on a daily or weekly basis. Next thing is this really cute cushion cover that was $8. You can find some really funky and fun patterned textiles. I love mixing mine with plain cushions, so I love layering them on my bed or my couch, just having a bunch of different styles and a bunch of different patterns. So when I saw this one and all the polka dots on it, I was like, yes, polka dots are right up my alley. I was so excited when I found these in an Ikea store a while ago. They are that apothecary style that's really trendy right now. I love how big these jars are. I'm thinking of putting them in my bathroom, maybe putting cotton wool in here and Q-tips in this one. And again, they're like super functional storage that just looks so beautiful on display. I was also really excited when Ikea came out with this beautiful plant stand. I think it's fairly new in store. It's $20 and it sits on your floor and you can turn it any way. So you can put it this way or this way, and the pot goes here or here. It's just a beautiful piece to have to put your plants on display, especially great for a small space when you want to keep your plants a little bit elevated off the ground. And it's made of rattan, and they have a lot of stuff in this material. So they have these beautiful hangers that I couldn't get for this video, but go in store, you'll see them. They're stunning. And also lots of chairs in this material. It's very boho, very on trend. For $20, you really can't go wrong. I love walking around the Ikea marketplace and seeing all the kitchenware that they have. And you can find some really fun trinkets like this little set. So you have a honey dipper and a loose leaf tea scoop. This was $4 in this beautiful gold color, which is very stylish, very trendy. And I just thought this would be so nice on your counter for when you're making tea. You have a separate honey dipper. And also whenever I make loose leaf tea, I just use a spoon, but this one actually measures it out for you, so you know exactly how much to put in your teapot, which I thought was really great. And for $4, like, little things like this can make such a difference to your kitchen. Just having them on display on the counter, it looks really beautiful. So I've said this so many times, but I'm gonna say it again. Lighting is so crucial to your space. It changes the look, it changes the feel. And so when you can find a light that's really funky, really decorative, like this one, buy it. This lamp, believe it or not, is only $25. And when I saw it, I was like, that's a bargain for a beautiful piece of light. I was gonna say piece of light. And I can't wait to show you it on because it has this soft glow, it makes the room feel really cozy, and it's really cool to look at. So I love this. This may look like a simple glass jar, which it is, but there's so many cool uses for these, and they're only $3. So I love storing my dried goods in here, like cereal, rice, all those fun things. And if you watched my kitchen organizing video, I'll link it somewhere around here. You can see how I DIY'd these, how I painted them really fun colors. Ikea has tons of fun glasses and mugs, and I bought these. These are pink. I just have one, but actually, no, I don't have one. I have a set of them. Lies! I have a set of these, and I love them. They're just really fun, everyday glasses. I think that little things like this can really make your kitchen feel fun and happy and special. Okay, that was me. And these are $3, so such a great bargain, especially if you're gonna buy like a set of 6 or 8. So when I discovered this product, I was kind of blown away. I was like, wow, technology. This is only $25, and it's actually a dimming kit. So if you have a living room light, like a floor lamp or a table lamp that's really bright, you literally just use this light bulb, and it comes with this little switch, and you can dim it. So you can make it brighter, you can make it darker. Such a great solution for people who rent, who don't want to change their lights out to make them dimmable. It's as simple as a light bulb. This is genius. And finally, these really cool bamboo hooks in these awesome intricate shapes. I love using hooks to create wall decor, so I'm hanging 3 of these in my entryway. Functional and pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I would love to hear what your favorite IKEA product is down in the comments. Sorry, down in the comments. Down under in the comments. I mean, they're kind of under, like down on, okay, just never mind. And make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time. Woo! That's a